Hi, my name is Jason Lin. I'm a second year civil engineering student here in NJIT. And so far, I've been working on a lot of my classes and they've all been pretty interesting. From water to transportation to structural, you name it. There's plenty of opportunities out there and options for me to figure out what my interests are, what my passions are, things of that sort. So here at the open house, I want to show the students what they also have available to them. You know, there's so many disciplines and it's overwhelming to just go into college and not know what's going on. So I'm here to help them guide through those ways and help them figure out for themselves what they want to do and pursue in the future.
All right, thank you. Wonderful. 오늘은 NJIT 오픈하우스가 있는 날입니다.